All right, meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the Monday, February 20th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Our storm system has now cleared out off to the east. It did drop some snow in a pretty decent portion of the region, and I'll kind of show you my snowfall forecast and what actually occurred and grade it out for you here on today's edition of the video. Now let's take a look at one of the many viewer photos we received. This was from Kathy Hodges in Mount Airy. And that's a really great shot showing you the snow accumulation there. I love shots where you can really see the depth of the snow, and that one Kathy did a great job with that picture there. Now, let me go back to the forecast map I threw up yesterday morning, Sunday morning. Okay, that was the general idea for the triad and northern parts of the triangle area, 1 to 3 inches. Had 3 to 6 up near the Virginia border and then the northern foothills, and then 6 to 10 inches plus up in the mountains. All right, here's some of the snow totals, and of course these reports will still be coming in as folks kind of get out this morning and the sun's up and they can measure the depth of the snow. But these are the snow totals as of early this morning. And what I did is all the counties that had a snow report, I picked the largest snow total from the county just to kind of show you the maxes that have been recorded. Okay, so that's what we had. The general idea of a 1 to 3 inch in the triad type of accumulation, that worked out very well. That forecast verified nicely. And then you got up near the Virginia border, I had 3 to 6 inches, and while you didn't see really any, at least yet, any 5 or 6 inch totals, there were plenty of 3 and 4 inch totals, so that verified pretty well too. Now, where I busted badly was the mountains there. The 6 to 10 inch forecast, just awful. That didn't happen. The moisture was just not as great up here in the mountains as it appeared it was going to be. So the 6 to 10 inch forecast did not verify at all. So let's go back to the forecast map here. I'll give this 1 to 3 inch area an A overall. I'll give this maybe a B minus, although the 3 to 6 inch did verify. It was at the lower end of the range, but I guess that's not bad. You know, it was in the range in most spots. This was terrible. F. Terrible forecast in terms of the snow totals in the mountains. But outside, once you got east of the mountains, the forecast really worked out very, very well overall. You're going to have some wins and losses with every snow forecast you put out. And that's just how it goes in this business. But again, I guess overall, the forecast east of the mountains really did work out very nicely. Okay, let's go to what's happening now. This is the upper air chart this afternoon. Our previous system is gone. And by the way, if you're wondering why the mountains didn't get as much snow, it's because the little piece of energy that was phasing into the system did so a little too late to really beef up the totals from the mountains westward. Once you got east of the mountains, everything behaved as expected. All right, tomorrow in the morning, there comes the next system swinging in. But notice the dynamics with this really scooting well off to our north. So I doubt this produces any precipitation across the region. All right, let's go deeper into the run here. Now, the European is kind of on its own with bringing a separate piece of energy through later Thursday. GFS and the Canadian kind of hold this off until Thursday night and Friday. And then an ice trough swings in for the weekend. That'll be a pretty decent shot at some chilly air. Okay, today, a lot of sunshine. Any of the icy, slick issues on the roads that are lingering out there, and there are some, will be gone by mid-morning with temperatures warming above freezing. And we should head up into the upper 40s and lower 50s for Piedmont and foothill highs today. Tomorrow, going to be a day that features 50s for highs, a partly cloudy sky. Notice the precipitation chances probably staying off to our north and west with that next system. Wednesday looks dry, and I think Wednesday we're able to get up into the 60s for highs. Thursday, now again, this is the GFS model we're looking at. It keeps us dry. European does bring some rain in. I'm not going with that scenario in this instance. I'm going to go with the dry scenario Thursday, and assuming we do stay dry, we could see some highs Thursday in the upper 60s, maybe even lower 70s in some spots Thursday afternoon. Thursday night and Friday, though, strong cold front swings in. That'll bring us the chance of some showers, followed by chillier air for the weekend. It looks like our highs on Saturday, probably lower 50s in a lot of spots. Sunday, and let's say there's Saturday. I wanted to show you the GFS. That's the GFS. The European, in comparison this weekend, is a little colder. So we'll see which model is correct. Looks like, again, temperatures probably getting a little bit below average over the course of the upcoming weekend. And I did want to show you this. The Canadian is the most bullish with the rain, with that cold front swinging in Thursday night and Friday. A lot of the other modeling here not as aggressive with the rain. So we'll see. I'm going to throw in some shower chances, but not go nearly as aggressive as the Canadian. Okay, that is it for today's edition of the video. Thank you for watching. And by the way, thanks for checking in with the blog and the videos here as we've gone through the past week. I really appreciate you checking it out. And I do these products pretty much every workday, every weekday here around the course of the year. So thanks for checking in, and I hope you check back in. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.